Okay, here we are in Los Coipos. This is the structure of the current community building. It's an area that has this roof and this structure that is fine, but the rest of the building is going to have to be demolished. Structurally, it's totally ready to demolish. It's not safe. The roof is falling down, the walls are coming out. Basically, it needs to totally go. So the idea is, behind this, is to construct some kind of a structure. If you can see the damage to the walls here, you can see maybe better the ceiling, how it's collapsed. And there's still electricity, how the walls are. We've just had the civil engineer in who's confirmed what the municipality is saying, that it has to be demolished. So the idea is to, as this village has 90% of the houses, which if they haven't already totally collapsed, they have to be demolished due to structural damage, where the people are currently living outside. The idea is to make this structure into a temporary emergency building as we're waiting for the rain to come. And as soon as the rain comes, the people of the village have nowhere to stay because they're currently living in temporary structures in tents or in the open air at the moment. So the idea is to close this structure in along the sides with wood to make it into a kind of, using the same materials as this structure at the back. So to close it in all the way around, to put some flooring in, rescuing as many of the materials as possible from the current community centre next door, and to close it in. We will need some toilets at the back, probably 3 or 4 toilets, because we estimate that we could probably house about 20 families in here. And then the idea is that when this building is demolished, we could potentially extend this building, depending on how much financing we've got short term. We could extend the building, if we can't do one straight away, a bigger building, extend this building and make it larger. The idea will also be that this is a communal structure. This is part of the village. The village is, it's an area that they're used to coming to, so it's not somewhere that they're going to feel like they're going somewhere strange. They're going to be going to somewhere that they feel is part of their community, that they have a right to go to, which is really important, because these people can be very proud, which is another reason that it's important that it's an area of the town. So the idea would be close this in, extend it there, and then we could use the building later on. Use it for a community centre once the immediate need and the housing starts coming through and the buildings are improved. You can possibly see some of the damage of the next door just here. It can be used later.